morning, everybody. Today, I have the pleasure to have with us Leendert van den Bos. Leendert is the CEO of Enzytag. Hi, Leendert. Good to see you.
Hi, Silvana.
Again. So, Leendert, would you be so nice just to tell us a brief history of Enzytag?
Certainly. Enzytag is a spin-out company of EnzyPep and was founded in 2018. EnzyPep developed a peptiligase technology platform which can tracelessly couple peptide fragments together. EnzyPep was bought by Fresenius Kabi, which also has an Italian branch. Yeah. And Enzytag is focusing on the development of new chemical entities based on peptide motifs that are of interest.
Oh, good. So you were mentioning the peptiligase. So can you tell us something more about this ligand?
Mm-hmm.
For the people that are not so expert as me and maybe some of our audience.
Sure. So the peptiligase technology platform is an enzyme technology which can couple peptide fragments together. So the enzyme itself is a protease-based enzyme which has been engineered that it does not cleave enzymes, but cleave peptides, but ligate two peptide fragments together. That is what the peptiligase enzyme does.
Good. How do you see the next generation of peptide therapeutics? It's a question from a lot of people.
Yeah, so we see a lot of work currently coming by. So the peptide therapeutics become ever more complex. It's the smaller peptides are currently marketed and well known, but what we see is that, for example, the diabetes peptides are quite long, 40 amino acids easily, but also cyclic peptides are evolving, and also like antibody drug conjugates or more complex functionalized proteins are developed, and the peptiligase technology platform is very helpful in connecting those and synthesizing those very efficiently and cost efficiently.
Oh, see. So the future is bright, huh?
The future is bright towards more complex products,
which is the future of the new drugs. Yeah. Going to another discussion, I would like to speak about continuous flow technology. Is a part of your offer continuous flow technology?
Yeah, so the peptiligase technology platform can be applied in flow production because it's an enzyme, because it's a catalyst, it can be immobilized. And in that way, it can be applied to flow chemistry as well. Pardon me. But it can also easily be applied in batch mode. So you have the choice what you want. So certainly the peptiligase technology platform is ready for the future of flow production.
Good. And let's speak about green chemistry, sustainability. So pharmaceutical green chemistry in peptide synthesis, it's a reality?
It certainly is, because the peptiligase enzyme functions or works in water, and because of the fragment condensation strategy that is used in the peptiligase, you significantly reduce your solvent consumption. And in that way also you increase the purity of the product you get out of it. So certainly green chemistry for peptide in the peptide world is a possibility.
Okay, that's good. Also this information. And now let's speak about the problem that we are living all together these days. So I'm speaking about coronavirus, COVID-19. Did the coronavirus outbreak affect your target markets? And if so, in what way?
Luckily, nobody got affected by COVID-19 in Enzytag, but of course, all travel was discontinued, and we only have those virtual meetings now going on. So that is, in that way, Enzytag got affected by the coronavirus, but luckily, companies are able to meet you virtually, and you're still able to tell the story about our technology and convince them that they should work with us for the future of their compound. So in that way, it is good. On the other hand, convincing people that never came in touch with the technology of a new technology is easier done face to face than in a virtual meeting.
Yeah, but we hope that it's something that will be open again for everybody.
Exactly.
Just a very personal question to you. I mean, do you think that there is a lessons that we should learn from this crisis? Personal lesson, the crisis of COVID-19. What do you think?
The personal lesson is that you can't make the world. So I think I think the world community had the idea that we could make the world we would like to have or we would like to see. And I think if COVID-19 showed us one lesson, and that is that it is impossible to predict how 2021 would look like, because nobody would have predicted that 2020 would look like the way it looked like now. And even with our well-advanced pharmaceutical industry, it takes us minimum a year to develop a vaccine against a virus that is too small to see with your naked eye.
I see. Anyway, so we hope that the real global activity will be around the new vaccines. That's all of us. We are waiting.
Yes.
Real communication and a real cooperation. Okay, Leendert, I mean, I thank you very much for your presentation, for what you told us. I'm sure that our audience, our friends will be interested in learning more on Enzytag. So I thank you very much. Stay well, okay? And take care of yourself, of your family, and of your friends. Ciao.
Thanks for giving me the opportunity to present Enzytag to the Química OGI audience. Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao, Leendert. Ciao.